Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, unhandled exception has occurred in your application. First method, type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Select .NET Framework 3.5 and select .NET Framework 4.8. Click Let Windows Update download the files for you. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.